Spring's here, which means it's the perfect time to refresh your home and get it looking its best. Whether you're thinking about selling or you just want to feel better in your space, a smart spring cleaning can make a bigger impact than you think. But here's the thing, you don't need to scrub every corner or spend your entire weekend deep cleaning to get results. Hi, I'm Karen with Blue Lakes Real Estate Group, powered by Key Realty. I help homeowners in the Traverse City area get the most out of their homes, whether that means selling for top dollar or simply making your space feel a little bit more like you. In this video, you will learn which cleaning tasks make the biggest impact on buyers and how to use them to boost value, showings, and first impressions. Spring cleaning isn't just about tidying up. It's about creating a feeling. A clean home feels bigger, brighter, and better cared for. When buyers walk into that kind of space, they relax. They trust it. Homes that look clean and well kept stand out in photos, they get more attention at showings, and they often sell quicker. Plus, spring is when more buyers are looking. It's the perfect opportunity to make your home stand out with just a few smart changes. If you're prepping your home for sale, here's where to focus your time and energy. Make sure to clean your windows, inside and out. Let the light shine in. Natural light makes a home feel bigger and more inviting, and clean windows leave a great first impression. Make sure to give the main living areas a good sweep, vacuum, and mop. Pay special attention to the entryway. It's the first thing buyers walk into, and it helps shape their first impression of your entire home. When it comes to kitchens and bathrooms, start with cleaning counters and wiping down appliances. Kitchens and bathrooms are where buyers pay the most attention. They give the buyers a sense of how well the rest of the home has been cared for. And don't forget to tidy up the nooks and crannies. Wipe down baseboards, clean out those vents, and get into those overlooked corners. These little spots can often catch dust, and buyers do notice when they're clean. Prioritizing these areas gives buyers a great first impression without spending hours on areas that don't matter as much. Just make sure you don't forget the outside. Curb appeal is real, and it's the first thing that buyers see before they even step inside. You can sweep off porches, steps, and walkways, power washing siding or decks if they've gotten kind of grimy over the winter, and add a new welcome mat, some potted plants by the door for a little pop of life, and clean out the gutter. Trim back any overgrown branches or shrubs. These easy steps make your home feel well cared for from the moment someone pulls into the driveway. Once the basics are clean, open the windows and let in some fresh air. A vase of flowers in the kitchen or a cozy throw to the sofa. It's really all about creating a space that feels fresh, simple, and lived in without feeling cluttered or overdone. Spring cleaning can do more than freshen up your space. It can help you make a stronger impression when it counts. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. If you'd like more personalized advice before listing your home in the Grand Traverse area, click on the link in the description to schedule a quick call. We'd love to help.